Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage? Yes, I bought myself a singing hippo. Cost me £1.99 at St Peter's Hospice. It's just in the ordinary children's toys. Description: bow singing hippo. 100% polyester, filled with 100% polyester fibre. Not suitable for children. Under 36 months old, keep away from fire and sources of heat. For indoor use only. Well, it doesn't appear to work. Somewhere I assume there's something that you squeeze and it turns it on. So the first thing to do will be to try some batteries in it. I bought it because I want to take it apart, but we will actually see if it works first. AAA batteries, okay. Okay, that's our 3 batteries. And my daughter's got some Christmas animatronics that look like this, that talk to each other. There's some sort of mechanism in that foot. And there's some sort of mechanism in the head here. But I'm not feeling any push button to operate him. So I guess we're going to take him apart, aren't we? Which is what I intended to do anyway. I would have thought it would have been in his hand or something. A good sized lump in there. There's definitely something there. Right, okay. Well, that looks like that's a zip tie. Just check I didn't do anything silly, like put one of the batteries in upside down. I did. Oh dear, Grandad. Well, it was an excuse to take it apart anyway, wasn't it? Right, I'm just going to give it one more go. Try and get it so we can see it much clearer. So these 2 bits go in his teeth, and this bit goes in his left foot. Well, his right foot. Say that again. His right foot on our left as we're looking at him at the moment. And the operation switch is in this foot, which I've just lost. yeah, there we go. Do we want to look in here? It's glued shut. I don't think there's anything in there that I'm going to be able to tell you about. There'll be a circuit board, probably a black blob that holds the data for the music in some sort of file, wave file. Let's have a look. Oh, a longer screwdriver. Yeah, there's nothing in there I'm going to be able to tell you anything clever about. You can see the black blob on the circuit board. I expect there's probably some H bridges in there to drive the motors, although they don't need to go backwards, do they? They're only one direction. Yeah, I doubt whether there's anything too clever in there. You have to manoeuvre it into his neck. Yeah. In fact, I suspect they probably put the motor in there first and then put the padding in afterwards, didn't they? That would have made more sense. So what are we going to title this video? Grandad puts his hand up a hippopotamus's... Yeah, that's probably not the best title for a video, is it? This is just so noisy. Right. Okay, that bit's going to go there. I'm sure that would be the trick, just to put the padding in afterwards. I've got a couple of bits left. Well, that's not what I expected to be doing today, putting my hand there. Yeah, that'll have to do. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.